Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how to remove profile picture on Facebook on your phone. In this tutorial I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can remove profile picture on Facebook. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So then, to begin with, first of all, update your application. If you haven't updated, go to your Play Store and update the application. Once you're done updating your application, log into your account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon. So over here, as soon as you click on the profile picture, you'll be able to see different options. So you can either see profile picture, or you can just go ahead and select choose profile picture, import from Facebook, or you can just create avatar profile, whatever. So once you load your profile picture, just tap on the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner. And after that, go ahead and tap on delete photo. So once you tap on the delete photo, it's going to delete the profile picture and there will be no other profile picture. So in this way, you can remove a profile picture on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.